say we got a small little flood to clean up here. We had a water pipe bust. It's an empty house here. Nice house. They had a water pipe bust down here in the basement. And they already got a good, most of the water out. I'm still gonna hook up the pad extractor here and see if I can't pull any more out. As you can see, the areas that got it. So basically it's a small enough area. If this was a whole out flood, I wouldn't be trying to clean none of this, but I'm gonna extract what I can out of the pad, sanitize it, walk in the sanitizer real good, and clean it. Should go pretty smoothly. Let's see, it's pretty wet in here. I'm just gonna connect this thing up. As you can see, it's picking up some moisture. That's how we extract water out of a pad there. Get it the best that we can. Let's connect the hose up to this thing. It's got several holes on the bottom there. Just stand on it. See, it's not getting much water right there. See, it all got pretty saturated right underneath the pipe there. Looks like they got some drywall work to do. Other than that, we'll save this carpet. Brand new carpet. Oh yeah. So that's what we do with this. We extract, sanitize, and then clean. They typically say don't add water on a flood. If this whole thing was flooded out, you'd wait for it all to dry out. But since that's just a small little, what is that, 8x5 spot and then a 2x2 spot over there, we can get away with it. Still save the carpet. Sure you guys don't want to watch all the water extraction, but this one will go good. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're all done. As you can see, you can still see a little bit of a spot here just because it's wet. Let that dry overnight. I'm going to leave this fan here. I'll come back and pick it up tomorrow. Turn it up actually. As long as we keep air blowing right on it, we should be in pretty good shape. You guys ever run into any kind of flood damage, need any kind of water damage restoration, feel free to call us. WindyCitySteam.com, 630-947-6034. Thanks for watching, guys.